Chronic wasting disease is a disease with a 100% fatality rate in deer, elk, moose, and other members of the mammalian family Cervidae. It was discovered in mule deer in Colorado in 1967. It's caused by a prion, not a microbe or microorganism.
Prions are also known as spongiform encephalopathies, which are extremely rare degenerative neurological diseases. CWD prions are resistant to being broken down by proteins, and they infect the central nervous system and the lymphatic system. Other diseases that are caused by prions include Scrapie, BSE, and human CJD. Prions cause the other proteins to misfold, thus causing particular functions for an organism not to be performed. Prions are unable to be broken down by enzymes, heat and radiation, and autoclave.
A study of chronic wasting disease in mice was used to help scientists understand the morphology of the disease. They noticed diffused forms of the prion, which were granular in distribution, located in various parts of the brain, including the locus coeruleus, the substantia nigra, the hippocampus, and the basal motor cortex. In contrast, a dense circular plaque form was found in tissues in later stages of the disease in the thalamus, hypothalamus, cerebral cortex, forebrain, and cerebellum.
In a study conducted in Montana, it was found that CWD appears to affect females more than males, with 42% of deaths in this study being female, while only 28.8% were male. Despite this, it was found that CWD does not affect the female's ability to become pregnant.
Currently, there are no vaccines or treatments available for animals infected by the disease. As of right now, chronic wasting disease has shown no threat to humans or house pets. However, there has been some debate whether consumption of contaminated meat can transmit chronic wasting disease to macaques, a close relative of humans.
In a study conducted in Montana, it was found that CWD appears to affect females more than males, with 42% of deaths in this study being female, while only 28.8% were male. Despite this, CWD does not affect the female's ability to become pregnant.
In the study, 35.4% of the deer that were surveyed were positive for the disease, and 4.5 times more likely to die annually than negative deer. The results of this study suggest that chronic wasting disease, combined with hunting, could lead to endangerment of deer populations.
CWD has been found in 23 U.S. states, 3 Canadian provinces, and South Korea. These states include Virginia, where CWD has been detected in Fauquier, Rappahannock, Frederick, Clark, Culpeper, Loudoun, Madison, Montgomery, Shenandoah, and Warren counties. There is an extreme concern that CWD will spread to other parts of the country and world, thus endangering the lives of deer populations across the globe.
Recently, a deer farm in Wisconsin sold nearly 400 deer to 40 farms across 7 states, despite chronic wasting disease having been previously detected. Sample testing, quarantine measures, and general caution are being put into place to prevent the spread of the disease throughout the rest of the United States. People, and hunters especially, are being strongly urged to stay away from any deer that are emaciated, acting strangely, or displaying any other signs of chronic wasting disease.